So you want to become a successful YouTuber and grow your subscriber base. Let's break this down step by step. First, you need to identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What can you talk about endlessly? Could be gaming, beauty, tech reviews, cooking, travel, or even education. Whatever it is, make sure it excites you. Because the truth is, if you're not excited about your content, your audience won't be either. Once you've found your niche, it's time to research. Dive deep into YouTube. Look at successful channels within your niche. Analyze their content, their style, their audience engagement. What type of videos are they creating? What are their most popular uploads? Take notes. This isn't about copying, but rather understanding what works. Next, let's talk about content creation. You need to come up with video ideas that not only interest you, but also resonate with your target audience. Think about what questions people are asking in your niche. What problems can you solve? What unique perspective can you provide? Create a list of potential video topics. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of video production. Quality matters, but you don't need fancy equipment to start. A smartphone with a decent camera can do the trick. However, make sure your audio is clear. Poor sound quality can drive viewers away faster than bad video quality. Invest in a good microphone if you can. Lighting is also crucial. Natural light is your best friend. Film your videos during the day near a window. If you're filming at night or in a dimly lit room, consider getting affordable softbox lights or ring lights. When it comes to editing, this is where you can really make your videos shine. Use editing software that you're comfortable with. There are plenty of free options available. Cut out any unnecessary parts, add music, include graphics, and create an engaging flow. Remember, your goal is to keep viewers interested. Now let's discuss video length. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Some audiences prefer shorter, snappier content, while others enjoy longer, in-depth videos. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a length that allows you to cover your topic thoroughly without dragging on. Next up is your video title and thumbnail. These are the first things potential viewers will see, so make them count. Your title should be catchy and include keywords that people are searching for. Thumbnails should be eye-catching and relevant to the content. Use bright colors, bold text, and intriguing images to draw viewers in. Once your video is uploaded, it's time to optimize it for search. Use tags wisely. Include relevant keywords in your description and title. This will help your video appear in search results. Don't forget to create a captivating description. This is your chance to tell viewers what your video is about and entice them to click. Now let's talk about promotion. Sharing your videos on social media platforms is crucial. Create accounts on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Build a community around your content. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Ask for their opinions, feedback, and suggestions for future videos. Collaborations can also help you grow your channel. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche. Propose collaboration ideas that would benefit both of your audiences. This can introduce you to new viewers and help you gain subscribers. Consistency is key. Set a schedule for your uploads and stick to it. Whether it's once a week, twice a month, or daily, make sure your audience knows when to expect new content. This builds anticipation and loyalty. Engagement is another crucial aspect of growing your channel. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Ask questions in your videos to prompt comments. The more engagement your video receives, the more likely it is to be recommended to others. Don't forget to analyze your performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track your views, watch time, and subscriber growth. Pay attention to which videos perform well and why. Use this data to refine your content strategy. Now let's talk about patience. Growing a YouTube channel takes time. You won't go viral overnight. Focus on creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and improving your skills. Celebrate small milestones along the way. Remember, authenticity is crucial. Be yourself. Don't try to imitate others or fit into a mold. Your unique voice and perspective are what will ultimately attract subscribers. As you continue your journey, keep learning and evolving. Stay updated on trends in your niche and on YouTube in general. Adapt your content strategy as needed, but always stay true to your passion. In conclusion, becoming a successful YouTuber isn't just about numbers. It's about building a community and sharing what you love. Stay dedicated, be persistent, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Your passion will shine through, and that's what will truly resonate with your audience. So go out there, create, and let your voice be heard.